So I'm in the Albert County trails. So I'm gonna go towards Alma and Elgin that way. I've never been that way. The terrain's pretty rocky. Should have enough gas. It's been a good day, but it's really warm. So let's go. This is all new territory. It's a solo ride today. Nobody could join me. Prior commitments. So we're taking it a little bit more easy, a little bit more docile, because you never know what might happen when you ride a little bit too rough and get stranded all by yourself. Most likely there's no cell signal in any of these places here. There was one time when I went the other way and I crossed Crooked Creek, the river. I dumped the bike in the water, so I had to push the bike right down to Riverside, Albert, to be able to get extracted. Oh, let me tell you something, pushing a bike that far and not downhill is quite challenging. I like these rocky trails. A little bit more technical. Not too hard. A few years back, this would have been so difficult. It's just my third year of off-road riding. And I've learned so much. For the few years I've been riding, thanks to a lot of good friends. Not too steep, but the rocks make it tricky sometimes. No. Looks like a riverbed. I'm sure the spring water comes down hard. All right, Alma. 30 kilometers. Should be good. All right, so we are in Alma. And I'll show you a trail. It's going to be a bit tricky, to be honest with you. That hill climb looks a bit tricky, at least when I went down the hill. It looked really tricky. But I'd like to show you the entrance. Cottages up here, and there's a trail that there's some trees falling across, and it's not there because nobody cleaned it. It's there because you shouldn't go through. I'll show you why. This is why, because the trees are right there, and if you fall and continue, you can't go. These trees. But for the purpose of this ride, we're going to come back in this rocky trail. There's going to be some challenges here, that's for sure, because there's a rocky climb, and this is not it at all. This is just a tiny little thing. But again, just like the other day, everything's loose. Nothing's really planted. So if you put too much throttle, you lose your traction. This is not even it. Well, maybe. I can't remember. I don't know. I don't think so. Whoa. I did let go of the throttle just ever so accident here. Trying to start back. It's going to be difficult. Come on. Alright. I lost one of my pegs. One of my foot went up. Go where the bike wants to go, really. The bike says, we're going to cross that road. Guess what? We're crossing that road. I thought there was another hill. Maybe that was it. It's always a lot worse when you go down. And again, the camera doesn't do justice to any of this stuff. And a little bit of pavement. Great. I'm pretty sure this is the biggest climb here. Back up this thing. That was a big branch. Hit me right in the head. No charge. I think the climb is here after this wall. Way worse, even though this is awkward. Like, I've climbed steeper hills than this, but this rock is making it challenging. And I'll be honest, like I said before, with the saddlebags, it does change the handling of the bike. You wouldn't think it would, but it does. Look at that.